Simran as Charlie. Hi. Rajlakshmi as Alexa. Hi. Mansi and Salini as backbiters. Hello. Priya as a has. So let's start this kid. Wow, they are looking so friendly. I think I must have some friend too feeling happy. Hi. Hi. You both seem very friendly. Will you both be my friend?
Hi, Puriya. Have you ever seen an old fancy with young girl?
Yeah, we both young, but you have wrinkles on your face and your hairs are getting so grey. No, I'm only 32 years old.
But you look like you have crossed your 70s. I know very fantastic science.
Oh, really? It is fun to meet a haircut. Thank you so much. Now, Alexa is going to read Willy Wonka for her purpose. Willy Wonka.
Hello.
I have heard a lot about you and your magical invention. Can you prepare a potion which can make me younger?
A motion which can make
Younger and youngest.
So finally, Charlie, I have prepared that magical potion which can make people.
Yes, sir.
So I'm waiting for Alexa to come and take this potion.
Now, Alexa is going to.
Yes, come in.
Hi, Willy Wonka.
Hello.
Have you prepared that potion?
Yes, that potion is there. Just wait. Hey, Charlie, bring that potion to Alexa.
Sir.
This is the potion which can make people look young, younger, and youngest. Have a sip of it, and you will be young.
Hey, what is happening to me? Hey.
Charlie, Alexa.
Sir, I think your invention is too hard and Alexa is disappeared, sir.
Oh my God, Charlie. Now what we will do now?
ये क्या हुआ?
Now what we will do now, Charlie? Alexa's age has gone minus. The invention is really too hard, Charlie.
Yes, sir.
No, but older and oldest.
Amazing idea, sir.
So for this, Charlie.
Now, Willy Wonka thought to invent a new thing which can make people
Once again, I rolled up my sleeves and said,
weird and ancient things for his purpose. Because he has some earthy work.
"Hi, old man." Hi. देखो बोला था ना गुस्सा करोगे, कर दिया ना गुस्सा. But by the way, thank you for the toy gift.
Thank you so much.
So Charlie, this is a toy man.
इसको बंद करो उसको, वो वाला वहाँ से माइक
I
से।
use this to prepare my
देखो
new
जब
plant.
यूज करना ना तब ऑन करना, जब नहीं यूज करना तो बंद रखना, ठीक है?
Old and oldest.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा खूब ना स्पीड में मत बोलो, थोड़ा स्लो बोलो।
माइक एक्सचेंज करो तो दोनों। जब तुम बोलना तब ऑन करना, ठीक है? अब वो ऑन भी रहेगा तो चलेगा। जब बोल लेना उसके बाद बंद कर देना।
अब हम रिकॉर्डिंग को पॉज में रखते हैं। चलो तुम स्टार्ट करो।
क्या यहाँ पे मेरा रोल नहीं है? ठीक है।
रेडी?
Charlie, now what else? And what a cat. I got 36 years. May I take your little whiskers, please?
Please, you are very cute.
Yes, no, please. Thank you. Sorry. Now I will go to the King of Tonga for an egg.
Okay, sir. Stop. What are you doing?
Why are you going inside in the palace without permission? Dear, how great our king is.
We are on a secret mission to prepare a magical potion.
King, I have heard about the tortoise who belongs to you, who is 208 from that old tortoise.
Yes, I can, but there is a condition.
What's the condition, King? I'll agree with all your conditions.
Nowadays, I am feeling very upset. So if you will make me happy, then I will give you that egg.
But what can I do to make you happy? May I sing a song?
Yeah. You know, my son has a very melodious voice.
I know. Thank you, Charlie. Charlie, give me the mic.
I sing. Smooth eyes, strawberry. You come here.
Okay.
And fastly. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Now you can prepare the recipe, sir.
Yes. So let's start, Charlie.
Yes, sir. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Hey, mom. माताजी, ये क्या हुआ? Yes, stupid man, you have broken my egg. Have you lost your mind?
This is very precious, you know.
Charlie, now what will we do now?
Now we have go again to Tonga King.
सारे वनडे जैसे सकल के राजा के पास जाने का मुझे कोई शौक नहीं.
Yes, sir.
It's so cheap, but I have to go. No problem. I'll go again for that thing and then one more egg.
Now Willy Wonka is again moving to the king of Tonga.
Okay, move aside.
Side.
नमस्ते राजा.
ज़्यादा मत खींचिए को कुर्सियाँ उसका उधर था
Why are you coming again?
Actually, king, our egg is broken, king.
King, I was doing my work very good. Dance is very well. Thank you, King. And one day,
Yes, sir.
which can make people look old, older and oldest. Let's start, Charlie.
Okay, sir.
Hey, move aside, man.
Now, Willy Wonka is boiling, bubbling, mixing all the ancient things in his inventing lab.
क्या बोलती public?
Yes, sir.
Charlie, I have invented the most magical potion, the Vita Bomb.
Yes, sir.
This will make people look old, older and oldest. You know, Charlie, it was my dream of preparing a magical potion which can make people look old, older and oldest.
Yes, sir.
Charlie, I need a foolish man on which I can try this magical drink.
Yes, sir. Sir, look. Up 20 years old. I call her, sir.
Yes, it's for
Hey, Opie, come here.
just wait until
Mike.
The potion was too much hard and it like disappeared.
Yes,
so
sir.
this time we had to be very, very, very careful so that our potion did not react on anyone.
Yes, sir.
So we'll say that it's a delicious chocolate shake which cost $5 million and I have brought it from London and she'll drink it, okay?
Yes, sir. Good idea, sir.
Shut up, No, Charlie. Why do you want to give it to him? You can't drink this. It costs $5 million and I've brought it from London.
Yes, sir. I think you are right, sir.
Yes, you should not.
No. I want to taste it. Please give me.
Okay. Bring that
Okay,
chocolate
sir.
shake, Charlie. Take this chocolate shake. It's very delicious.
रुको जरा सबर करो अभी मजा नहीं करेंगे What's happened to me? What's happened to me? What have you done with me?
Just move from here. Just move.
You stupid.
Charlie, we have invented the Vita Bomb.
As usual, she began wrinkling, her hair getting gray and her teeth falling down. But what is happening with Ompi Lompi? What is happening with Ompi Lompi began an old fellow 75 years old young, an old fellow 75 years old from just 20 years old younger. And thus, Charlie and Willy Wonka invented the fantastic, most magical medicine called the...
We did it, Charlie. We did it. We are the winners, Charlie. I have invented the most fantastic drink which can make people look old, older and older.
Yes, sir.
This is my craziest invention, Charlie. The Vita Bomb. Yes, Charlie, we did it. Let's start, Charlie. And I have invented the most magical, fantastic drink which can make people look old, older and older.